At Pitagorica, we go beyond the numbers. And going beyond the numbers, seeing beyond the numbers, is understanding that when a Portuguese is born, it is most likely that he is already born an EDP client. It's understanding that EDP energy will be there through every stage of our life. Some produce calculations. We investigate how behaviors change. We investigate how behavior changes from economically rational to environmentally responsible. We investigate stimuli. We investigate who teaches us, when we are taught, and what we truly assimilate. Some apply scientific models. We transform calculations into feelings. We brought the academy to the market, and the market to the academy. We work with the best research units, and together we went even further. We innovated. We created. We see what surrounds us through the eyes of those who surround us, and then evaluate. We evaluate both the media and the messages, impacts and effectiveness, from the presence of the brand to the words of a campaign. We evaluate what remains. Some analyze profiles. We convert statistics into people. We convert large and small companies into people. We convert cultures, strategies and trends into individuals. Because entities and acronyms are abstractions that don't exist by themselves. They are the result of a sum. At the end of the day, what really exists are people. People like us. People who make decisions every day. Some do great studies on companies. We believe that companies are made of people and their decisions. We therefore prefer small, constant studies, able to accompany behavioral changes. Some analyze data. We search for the reasons behind the feelings, and the feelings behind the reasons. We classify criteria. We learn to recognize patterns. We identify new markets, new trends, and new opportunities. We know the world is going to change. Now we want to know when and how. We want to learn how to anticipate transformations and deconstruct myths to deliver more than expected. Some apply standardized solutions. We look for answers for people's singularity. Some people walk around with mystery shoppers. We study the customer's mysteries, their options and their choices in a free market. That's why we ask questions, many questions, every question, as many times as necessary. We make information so that decision makers can make decisions. Some encode the world in numbers. We transform numbers into words and words into numbers, because what surrounds us is virtual and real. Because we are the target and we are the media. We are information consumers and information producers. And we study. We study reactions to the news in the media or the stimuli we receive through social networks and the internet. We study what youth is looking for and what the elders are looking for. In a country where the social pyramid is increasingly reversed, we study what changes, when it changes, and the reason why it changes. For over a decade, we have been going beyond the numbers, because the numbers only tell part of the story. For over a decade, we've helped protect the best brands in the country and some of the world's most valuable ones, because no two realities are alike. And if EDP accompanies each Portuguese through each phase of their life, we are prepared to follow EDP through every stage of its business. The strongest energy is ours. Pitagorica. We go beyond the numbers.